What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another vlog. We still have Ricardo and Mr. Box here.
This is the clip.
We're gonna try and put this wing on. It's like a Dulux style thing. But yeah, let's see how many people it takes to get this wing or this little piece off. Wait. What the?
Plug it from over there. Right there. Oh,
No, it doesn't unplug.
Plug and play?
Oh. No, they're all crusty, the little.
Oh.
Remove it, right?
You just ruined a perfectly good wing.
I don't think
Oh,
we're gonna
we need a bowl too, bro.
Yeah. No, I don't think that one has a rear tail light. Shit. I don't know. Let me check. Let me open it.
You good thing we're recording?
No. Goes. Yeah.
It sits right here.
Oh, nice, bro. Look at that bad thing.
I don't know.
No,
Some things
there's
are
no
not.
fibers.
The other way?
You ordered the wrong part, man.
It seems like it goes like that.
But it doesn't.
We're making progress.
Oh, it goes like that.
Whoa, man.
I think it's gonna look pretty good.
That looks pretty clean.
Here, hold it.
Plastic welded, I mean.
Hold on. We have to put this one to this one first.
And then mount that to
Yeah.
this. So Ricardo knows a few things too, I see. So these line up, these two, and then this one and that one don't line up. It's a little bit off, but we're gonna tap them and make them a little bigger. That's the problem with eBay or Amazon parts actually. This is the Amazon, but we can make it work. Ooh! Retry. Yep. Lines up pretty good. Perfect. So they're all in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, what goes? Oh, this
Yeah,
goes
just
in.
a little one over here.
Okay. Easy enough. Let's try it. We get a rag. Let me get a rag real quick.
You gotta put this on first.
There it is. Gotta put the double-sided tape so I can seal it or something.
Mm-hmm.
So this fits pretty good. This side and that side. Let's. Okay. There it is. What you guys think? Pretty good? I know. I like it. What do you think, Ricardo? I don't think it's rice, like ugly.
I don't know. This is not rice.
No. Looks good. Well, that's done. Everything's back to normal. Fitment's pretty good. Now what we're gonna do is, what is this? Before I throw the front end on, I wanna pressure wash everything and get all this little stuff off. Have it as clean as possible so the front end, all this. So I'm gonna pull it out, pressure wash it, and go from there. Pressure wash this thing. I'm gonna put the degreaser. The intake, make sure we wash the intake too. You know what we should do to it? We should wire tuck it. It'll look cool. Too.
Should race them, see which one's faster.
Oh damn!
That's on the next vlog.
Wait until I get a front end first, bro.
Civic X1 in the go.
Damn, Ricardo. I was swinging that for right now, dude. Bro, this thing's filthy.
Yeah.
Huh?
You left my window down.
You want to move your car?
Dirty.
Look how clean it left this side. Now you can see the actual bolt hole and everything. Big difference. Better, huh? Much better.
Damn.
Looks like it rolled out the showroom floor. Now we got a clean surface to work with.
Mock test that front end real quick.
It doesn't look bad, huh? Wait.
Actually, it's cool.
Yeah, I don't want, obviously I was like, I don't want nothing like super rice. But I think it looks pretty cool. When I take it to get painted, I'll probably just paint the wing and I'll leave that a little. The thing that amounts to black.
What about that magenta?
So here it is, everything cleaned up pretty good. Now we can see where everything's at. Clean surface. Sort of clean. Much better. I'll probably try and fit the front end another day. It's super hot. But what do you guys think about the wing? Looks good? I think so. It's not, I don't think it's ricey at all. It's coming along. That keeps popping out. Gotta fix that somehow. I'll continue this another day. Ricardo managed to get this stuck in place. It's not going anywhere no more. Beautiful. Yep. Ooh, what a Honda Tech.
All we needed was a little screw.
No, we gotta fix this. Like I said,
Put the whole car back together.
we're tucking everything like
the fuck does this
Bruce
go?
Jenner. So what up? There's a few days after you guys saw us fix. Well, yeah, saw us fix the AC, and look what we have. The tires. Finally got them. Not finally. I mean, my boy David hooked it up. We got the wheels here. We're going to a tire shop. We're gonna mount them. And let's see how. I probably won't slap them on the Civic yet, just because it's all looking 4x4, so it doesn't make sense. But I'll show you guys at the tire shop. Made it to my homie's tire shop. These tires are tiny.
Donde siempre encuentras ayuda. Tu auto no arranca.
And look what he has right here. CRX SIR. Damn, this thing is actually pretty clean. Sunroof. Damn, I like it. You gotta love these little Hondas. They bring you back to a certain time. Well, at least they do to me. Amber. I wonder if what motor this thing has. I don't want to just pop the hood, but I like it now. Makes me like, now that I got the Civic, it feels like I see more little Hondas around. I don't know if it's just a coincidence, or now I start paying attention to them again, but pretty cool. Back home, so all the wheels are, all the tires are mounted in balance. I got the lug nuts as well, might as well, I was already there. But I think this is gonna wrap up the vlog. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.